Hello, good morning. Today I have a project to make. I'm going to transfer my orchid to this beautiful branch of tree right there. So this tree branch, I got that from my backyard. I asked my husband to cut it in two so I can use them. So usually in the tropical countries or tropical place, um like where I came from, we usually plant orchids in the tree trunk or the old tree or driftwood, and then put some, and we just tie them up there and they're thriving. However, here right now I live in zone 5. I can't do that. I can't just plant orchids outside on a tree because of winter. Sometimes it gets cold, and usually the problem if they we planted them on the vase is, you can see this one. I have this for 8 years now. This orchid right there, it's very nice blooming. You can see the roots shooting up. So because it's tiny, the vase is tiny, and we're kind of constricting the roots to grow inside. That's why the roots are shooting up. So, and also some of the roots are, you can see it's dark, and this is prone to rotting, the roots, over watering them, and then the roots get rot. So I'm going to do this instead, and then I can put this inside the house. So what I used is this drip tray. This is terracotta, and I'm going to put some decorative rock or pebbles. So this drip tray is about $7 in Walmart, and this wood right here approximately 1 foot long. And I also have this moss I collected from my backyard. Actually, I got that from the dead tree in my backyard. So I'm gonna put that in this tree here. So this will hold moisture for the orchid, so it's not gonna dry fast. Usually we use coconut coir, but I don't have that right now, so this is what I'm gonna use. You can also use sphagnum moss. I don't have sphagnum moss. I don't know what kind of moss this is, but this is what I'm gonna use. This is what I have available. So let's get started. twine to wrap it around. So if the roots will stick on the tree, then I can get rid of that twine. This is what it looks like, guys. Nice, very pretty. So if I'm going to water this, the water wouldn't go down here without, making my house a mess. And I also put more moss on top, kind of, keep the moisture in there. This moss is called orchid. Excited about it, guys. So actually inside this, how I anchor this stick, you see the stick standing pretty good. So how I anchor this, because you see this tree, this is the other one, there's like